In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create this gradient text mask in Canva. I already inserted the same image, and this is a very quick and dirty thing. I've used the same Tokyo and selecting the text and going to the fonts, typing I favorite 210, scrolling down to the black box and going to the position and rotate to minus 90 degree, increasing the size as we need. Like this, and we can move to the position where we want. And how do we create a gradient for this text mask? Very easy. You just need to select and go into a text color, add new color, and here click on the gradient. And now we can play a bit and just add the third one. And now this will be the white. And this will be also the white. And the middle one, we will use the color picker, and I choose this pink from the flowers. And this is how we can create this gradient text mask easily in Canva. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm. And of course, if you have any question of Canva or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages for another Canva tutorials. Plus, you can find a link for my Buy Me a Coffee link where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.